Do you know what a drug dealer looks like? The answer might surprise you. Over 50% of people who abuse medications get it for free from their family and friends' medicine cabinets. You no longer have to wait for the medication disposal events at the mall twice a year. Shasta County has 4 permanent, free, and safe medicine disposal kiosks for your use anytime. No waiting, no scheduling. Kiosks are installed outdoors at the Redding and Anderson police stations and the Shasta Lake Sheriff's Office, plus indoors at the Bernie Sheriff's Office. For more information, call 245-6858 or visit our website, rxsafeshasta.com.